just sold a much larger boat. We had decided that we wanted to downsize, but we didn't know what size would actually be appropriate. We had originally looked at, in magazines, at the Marex 440, and then we saw this one, which is the Marex 360 Cabriolet. We actually saw the boat first when we were at the Palm Beach Boat Show. We thought it sounded really interesting, and then we saw the boat there and we went on, and we're shocked how roomy it is and how just totally complete it was, and it really seemed to fulfill what we needed. And we realized, hey, we could go a little bit smaller and still have everything that we wanted. We were so impressed with so many of the facilities, the way they store up the curtains, and the bedroom is beautiful. The bathroom had a separate shower. All these things were very exciting to us, which we didn't think were possible in a boat this size. We talked with Scott and Dan at the time and basically put a deposit on right then and there for the boat that we saw at the show. Since then, we had to arrange getting it up from Florida, and we took care of all of that, and they really were great at getting it up here and very timely getting it all ready, and we're picking it up now. Drew's been showing us everything, which has been just great. He's been really good at that, and we're really excited about getting it underway.